Hey guys, Nathan Masters back with Brick System Brothers, and this is video 5 of the Constellation build. So we are almost done pretty much with the base and the hull, and then we're going to be moving on to the mass here pretty soon. Got a few little details left, like pretty sure we're going to put in some turnpikes and stuff along in here, and then work along up front. There's a whole nother layer of cannons along this back area as well. So putting those in this video, start to work the mass up a little bit, and then one or two more and we'll wrap this up. And yeah, here we go into the speed build. Okay guys, so running into the same problem again where we have kind of an unorthodox connection in this build, and this time it is that pony ears technique where you're just putting one of these plates in between the studs on another plate. So in our instructions, it looks like we want to set these cannons in like this, where we're going to have our jumper plate in between these studs, and then the 1x1 round pieces will kind of fit into that slot, so it will stick out sort of in that general area. But again, LEGO Digital Designer does not like that very much. That's not really a connection that's been programmed into the software. So I'm going to have to find another workaround. There's, I think, another 12. No, not quite 12. 10 cannons. Yeah, there is 12 more cannons here. So I'm going to have to figure out how to get these kind of set in there how they're supposed to be. I could probably use the headlight brick again, but our depth is a little different this time. We've got two 1x1 round pieces stacked. So the way this is looking, it might take a little bit more creative here. So yeah, we'll see what I can figure out. Let's go back into it. Alright, so here's what I got. I have a stack of 1x1 plates, 2 high, and then a headlight brick. And then the same thing I did before with another plate into the back and the cannon on that plate. So now instead of 1, 2, 3 pieces for each cannon, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces for each cannon. So for every cannon there is, we're going to add 2 pieces to the final count. And I think this should work okay all the way down. I guess I'll have to try and find out. I am going to go ahead and change these colors to black just to match the rest of the thing. I think that looks good. Alright, so the next step is the mast and the sails built onto that. Looks like it's all built with plates and a couple of those fences that we were having trouble with earlier. So this is a good stopping spot for video 5. We're already up past 750. Keep in mind that is with these extra modifications, so it's probably closer to 735 or 730 pieces. But yeah, a good size set either way. I'm not really sure what's going on with our beams up here with these plates. They're not really lining up. I did have to make a slight change with this piece that's not quite the same dimension as the one from the instructions, but in the end shouldn't play a huge difference. And overall, model's really coming together. Notice that these do actually pivot around, so that'll give us a way to position our sails in the future. So I'm going to go ahead and lock that back down where it was. Back and straight, like so. And then the other thing I forgot to mention in the last video is there's supposed to be a bell hanging underneath this arch, and LDD couldn't really do that either. So add a piece for that, you'll be good. A couple slight changes for these pieces up here, but not too much. And so far so good, really moving through this Constellation build. So let's get the mass on and see what it looks like. See you in the next one.